Hello children, how are you? Today I'm here with EVS module, and what we are going to learn in EVS today? We are going to learn about fruits. Yes, you all have already learnt about fruits. So we are going to revise that. Okay, so let's see what all you have learnt about fruits. So in this picture, you can see so many fruits. So we have apple here. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is a pear. This is orange. This is plum, peach, strawberry, watermelon, kiwi, banana. Okay? Then children, you learned that some fruits are small and some fruits are big. You can see in the picture also. Here on this side, you can see strawberries, grapes, berries. They all are small fruits. On the other hand, this big fruit is watermelon. So we have small fruits and we have big fruits. Now, which is this fruit? This is papaya. This is also a big fruit. Papaya is a big fruit. It grows on a tall tree. Then our next fruit is melon. Melon is also a big fruit, very sweet in taste, and it is little orangish from inside and white and green color from outside. Okay, it has a rough skin. Can you see in the picture the rough skin? And it has many seeds. It is a big fruit. Then comes the watermelon. It is very juicy, full of water. It comes in summer and it's a big fruit. It is green outside and red inside. Can you see in the picture? They are so big watermelons. Yes, so heavy and so big. Next big fruit is pineapple. Pineapple is also big. And we get very tasty pineapple juice from pineapple. The pineapple skin is also rough, isn't it? So we have to remove its skin and then we get juice from it. We also eat pineapple slices. Yes, and it is very sweet and tasty. Now there are some small fruits. So the little fruit which is here up in this picture, growing on a tree. Yes, red, sweet, beautiful and tasty cherries. They are small fruits. Cherries are small. And what about this one, your favorite? Strawberry. Strawberries are also small fruits. Okay. Then there is one more small fruit and this is peach. Can you see peach on the tree? Oh yes. Then the next fruit is lychee. Lychee is also a small fruit. So we saw that cherry and strawberry, they are small fruits. Same way, peach and lychee, They are small fruits. Two more small fruits, jamun and plum. Okay, jamun are dark purple in color. And you can see these red plums. Okay, sometimes they are very sweet, both of them, and sometimes they are very sour also. Okay, now you also learned about the fruits, that some fruits we peel and some fruits we don't peel. And what is peeling? What does peel means? Peel means to remove the skin of the fruit or the vegetable. Okay? To remove the skin. That is peeling. So let's see which fruit we peel. So here in this picture, you can see a girl is peeling banana. And we also peel banana and eat. Can you eat banana without peeling? No. We have to peel it and then we eat it. Then comes pineapple. Pineapple also we have to peel. We have to remove the rough skin of pineapple. If we cannot eat this rough skin of pineapple, it will hurt our mouth and we cannot bite it. Okay, so we peel the skin and then from inside we get the sweet pineapple. Okay, see in this picture you can see how this man has peeled the pineapple and now he is chopping it, making small pieces ready to eat. Okay, pineapples are very sweet and juicy. Next is mango. Mango also we peel. Okay, because mango's skin is not very tasty. If we eat it, we don't feel very good. But from inside, it is very sweet. Okay, so we peel the skin. Chiku also, we peel the skin. So we peel these fruits. We peel banana, we peel pineapple, we peel mango, we peel chiku. Okay, and now let's see the fruits which we don't peel. Yes, we don't peel strawberry. We eat them with their skin only. We don't peel pear. We don't peel cherry. And we don't peel plums. We eat them with their skin. Okay, we don't remove the skin. Then children, you also learned that fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have only one seed and some fruits have many seeds. So here in this picture, we will see oranges and watermelon. Look at the pictures. These fruits have many seeds. Oranges have many seeds. Watermelon has many seeds. Okay? And what are the color of the seeds? Oranges have white and cream color seeds. And watermelon has black color seeds. Oh, now look at the papaya. So many seeds. And the pear also. There are 4 seeds I can see in the picture. Yes, so these are the fruits which have many seeds. Then we have some fruits which have single seed, means only one seed. Only one seed they have. Okay, so let's see which fruits have one seed. Look at mango. Mango has one seed. Cherry has one seed. A peach has one seed. And a plum has one seed. Okay, and look at the shape and color of these seeds. They are all different in color and different in shape. And look at the mango seed. It is so big. So, which fruits have single seeds? Mango, plum, cherry, peach. So, now what we will learn? We will learn that some fruits have same colors. They share same color. Look at this picture. Here we have same colors, fruits and vegetables together. Yes? So let's see which all fruits have same color. Mango and banana. They both are yellow in color. Orange and papaya. They both are orange in color. They have same color. Then pear and sweet lime. Look at the color. They both are same in color. And then the next picture, cherry and pomegranate. They also have same color. They both are red. And pear and sweet lime, they both are green. So these are the fruits which have same colors. So children, we learned names of different fruits. We saw their pictures. We also learned about the number of seeds in the fruits. We also learned about the sizes of the fruits. Some fruits are small, some are big. Some fruits have one seed, some have many seeds. And some fruits are same in color. So, here we finish our chapter, our lesson on fruits. I hope you have enjoyed and read more about fruits and enjoy and eat more fruits. Okay, bye. Take care.